Plants in the flowering phase have a greater need for phosphorus and potassium. Therefore, ATAMI developed a liquid version of the Because Blossom Builder tabs, the Because Blossom Builder Liquid.
Blossom Builder Liquid is an enrichment for the serious, enthusiastic grower who wants an optimum yield.
One of the main characteristics of Blossom Builder Liquid is the unique pK ratio of 18:23. This ensures an improved structure and creates strong, healthy, and beautiful large fragrant flowers and fruits. Compare this to the human body if you like. In the human body, an extra dose of phosphorus and potassium improves the health and strength of your bones, muscles, and your nervous system. The lack of these elements causes low energy and loss of important functions.
Yes, Tammy. Also, phosphorus and potassium are good for a growing plant and great to kickstart the plant into the bloom phase. Phosphorus is the element that is responsible for the transport and storage of energy in short term. Potassium activates the synthesis of starch, which is the long-term energy storage of the cells.
The higher level of potassium compared to phosphorus improves the hardening of the fruit.
Exactly. Just add Blossom Builder Liquid during the last 2 to 4 weeks before harvest, and your yield will improve in quality.
So, are you looking for a product with the right amount of P and K for improving your harvest on all kinds of substrates? Try out Blossom Builder Liquid.
Easy, right? Join the ATAMI universe.